In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the Spotify logo in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's get started. The first step in creating the Spotify logo is to set up your workspace by creating a green circle that will serve as the background for the logo. To do this, select the ellipse tool in Figma and draw a perfect circle by holding down the Shift key as you create it. Once you have your circle, you'll need to fill it with the signature Spotify green color. This signature color is a vibrant green that represents the Spotify brand. Next, after you've drawn your green circle, you'll want to add a thick border to this circle. To do that, duplicate the circle by pressing Ctrl-D or Command-D on Mac, and then change this copy into an outline. Set the border thickness to around 70 pixels. You can adjust this based on your design preference, but thicker borders generally look good for logos. Now that we have a solid green circle with a thick border, it's time to turn that circular shape into an arc. Click on the circle, and at the top of the Properties panel, you'll find the option to edit the shape. There's a feature called Arc, which allows you to convert your circle into an arc. Simply click on the shape and adjust it until you create the desired arc shape that resembles part of the Spotify logo. After defining the arc shape, head over to the Appearance section in the right sidebar. Here, you'll need to set the arc's percentage to 100%. This setting will help create the inner part of the Spotify logo, defining the structure you're aiming for. Next, we want to refine the appearance of our arc further by rounding the endpoints. To do this, go to the stroke settings and select the round option for the stroke ends. It gives a smoother and more polished look, which is crucial for a logo design. Once you've done that, it's time to create the secondary arcs. Start by duplicating the first arc you created. You can paste this below the original one by pressing Ctrl-V or Command-V. Adjust its size to be a little smaller than the original arc. This layering technique will give our logo depth. We'll repeat this process for a third arc. Again, select the first arc, copy it, and paste it below. Resize this third arc to be even smaller. The layers should gradually decrease in size, closely resembling the Spotify logo that we're aiming to create. The final step is to select all of the elements you've created and group them together. In Figma, you can do this by selecting all layers you've worked on and then pressing Ctrl-G or Command-G on Mac. And there you have it. You've successfully created the Spotify logo using Figma. It's a straightforward process, but it's all about engaging with the software and understanding the tools available. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Happy designing!